A boy studied a lot and got a very good job. He started doing his work and the boss was very happy with him. But one day, his boss came to him and said, "You have to stay in the office for whole night and have to do some work." But that work was not the work he was interested in. So the boy asked to his boss, "Can I get the work I love to do?" And the boss said, "No." After that order from the boss, the boy started to think that he got the worst boss ever. He got the boss that never cared about his interest, the boss that is ruining his future, and so on. Then he made a decision of resigning from that company. He went to his home and discussed what happened in the office with his family and said them that he is going to resign. After listening to his talks, the family said, "Where from the money will come if you resign?" And that question from the family made the boy think a bit. After thinking a while, the boy said to his family, "I will not resign from the company, but will start part-time business while doing that job. And whenever I start earning enough money from it, I'll resign from the job." This story is obviously fictional, but it teaches us a very important thing. If you want to convince your parents for whatever work you wanna do or whatever career you wanna choose, then the only way you can convince them is by showing your results in that field. You have to earn money before you go to convince your parents for that field. You have to achieve some results before you go and convince your parents. And I guarantee you that most of the parents will get convinced by seeing your results. If you are fully dependent on someone, then it becomes their right to order you anything. They can force you to do anything. If they say you to study, then whether you like it or not, you have to do it. Because you are fully dependent on them and do not have any other options. So the best way you can convince your parents is by showing the results of the work you wanna do. Results can be money, medals, or whatever. Thanks for watching.